You can also upload options to multi-select, radio button, and drop-down elements by fetching them through an API. Let's start with the multi-select element again. Click on Settings, then the Upload icon in the Options section. Next, open the API tab and paste the API URL where you want to fetch your data options. Now, click the Fetch button. This will display the data from the API URL you pasted and show how many options are available. You can choose to replace the original data or simply select which fields you'd like to set as value or label. Once you're ready, click Insert to apply the options. After clicking Insert, the Options section will automatically populate with the values and labels fetched from the API URL. From here, you can review the generated options, make adjustments if needed. Now let's repeat the same steps we did with the multi-select element, this time applying them to the radio button. From the settings, click the Upload icon again, then paste a different API URL link and fetch the data. Once the results appear, click Insert to populate the fields. You can also delete or edit any of the options you've imported from the API to make sure they fit your form requirements. Now, let's add options to the drop-down element using the API. Go to the drop-down settings and click the Upload icon again. Paste the API URL and fetch the data. This time, we'll select which fields we want to use as the value and label from the API data. Once you're ready, click Insert. The options will then be populated automatically, based on the value and label settings you applied. Now, upon previewing the form, you'll see the options you added through the API reflected in your multi-select, radio button, and drop-down elements. Each one is now populated with the data you fetched, giving you dynamic and up-to-date options. This makes adding options to your elements not only easier, but also more flexible, allowing your forms to adapt quickly to changing data sources.